Hello friends, my name is Rajneesh and I have 15 years of experience, more than 15 years of experience in development, designing, consulting and training in Oracle applications. Uh, the purpose here to connect with you is to spread my experience and knowledge with you, and for that I'm just going to launch a course soon on EBS platform, R12 and cloud as well. So we will mostly cover all the content for the PL SQL part, EBS, Oracle applications and Oracle cloud as well. So based on your feedback, I will schedule a class and course for you guys. So please like and subscribe my channel so that I can find really how many of you really want this course. So be connect with me. I will be live soon. Thank you.